What's up, y'all? I'm back. I'm hot because it's hot out here. I'm on what is this? Some camp, some type of state park, but it's like a camp where RVs and stuff go. I think it's called Proud Lake or something. Hold on, there it go. Let me see. Campground Proud Lake State Recreation Area. I wish I could turn the camera, but anywho, can't really see it. But anywho, so it was a success. I was able to get the key programmed to the vehicle. I was able to let the customer in. It was a 2007 Ford Focus, all keys lost situation, and customer happy. You know, I'm happy I was able to get the job done and get some money for my services, and that's it. So if y'all need any key replacements, any key duplications, or you locked out your vehicles, give me a call. My number is 248-629-0721, and I'll come to you at your location and take care of you. All right, y'all. Peace out.